Guess who's back, 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 back again, again. Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Shinpennant, and I am back with a series this time. Not just showing you how to get people, but I am going to be playing Forza Motorsport 2, the Fast and Furious season. So, you Fast and Furious fans, please sit back and enjoy the show. Yes, I have been waiting to play this. You only saw, because you get free games every month. So I found Fast and Furious Forza Horizon 2 or Forza Motorsport, and I found the Fast and Furious, and I love Fast and Furious. My favourite one is definitely got to be the 7th one. But yeah, I found this game and I just had to get it. But I was in love. Dominic Toretto's car at the front. Let's see about there. So, you've got brake, steering, gas, change view, rewind, e-brake. Okay. Oh, Fast and Furious cutscenes, lads. Oh, Fast and Furious 7 car. You've got to love Fast and Furious. If you don't like Fast and Furious, oh damn, you don't know what you're missing, lad. Some of the best films of all time. See, they jump out of an aeroplane. Yep, that's pretty much Fast and Furious all around. Oh, there's a phone ringing.
Yo.
Leo?
Hey, listen, I said I'd holler at you if I saw anyone that could be useful. Well, I got my eye on something. Oh, he's good, all right. Turned up here out of nowhere and won pretty much everything. There isn't much this guy can't do with a car. Trust me. I'm going to try him out with something more serious. If he passes, we can start looking at that shopping list you sent me. All right, brother. You try to stay out of trouble. I'll be in touch.
And it looks like we're driving.
Hey, man. Glad to see you made some serious waves at Horizon. But if you want to take it to the next level, I have some work I think you might be interested in. There's a street race starting in Nice. I'll meet you there.
Let's rewind. Yeah, right, so rewind a little bit more. And done. Damn it, Daniel. Damn it, Daniel. Try a little bit more, sorry. Yeah, I'm just showing you how to rewind. These think they can actually beat us. I'm just passing them so quickly. And guess. Alright, come on, Barbara, really? Damn it! And I still hit the edge. Come on. Bruh. Come on, you cannot play a game and be flawless, can you? What, bruh? No, you passed me. I hate you. I hate you. I know exactly that. What the bruh? Bruh. That a little bit there. Stop. Bruh. Just really. There we go. Damn it, Daniel. Wait, how did he get in front of me? This guy knows some shortcuts. Did I just take a dude out? I just took a dude out.
At the roundabout, take the first exit.
Oh, I'm thinking of a completely different one. Damn! Wait, did I just knock my...
In 400 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Come on! The gear.
You made it. The gig's for a friend of mine. Big money. Real important. So he set up a street race to make sure you're up to it. You can take a challenge, right? Oh, and take the charge. I need to know you can handle the kind of horsepower I've got in mind.
Go long when the whistle blows. Get low when the whistle blows. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna finish off the video here. Hope you liked. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Peace.